Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Amazon to buy something. Let's get started. Today, I'll walk you through the complete process of using Afterpay for your Amazon purchases, which allows you to split your payment into 4 manageable installments. While Amazon doesn't directly support Afterpay at their checkout page, there's a simple workaround that lets you use this payment method through the Afterpay application. First, you'll need to download the official Afterpay app from either the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play Store for Android devices. Once the installation is complete, open the application and log into your account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, which only takes a few minutes. Now, within the Afterpay app, use the search function to find Amazon, and then tap on the search result to open the Amazon store directly through the Afterpay platform. The interface will look very similar to the regular Amazon app or website, but the key difference is that you're now browsing through Afterpay's system, which enables the payment splitting feature. You can now browse through Amazon's extensive product catalog and select the items you wish to purchase. When you find something you want, simply tap Add to Cart, just like you normally would. Once you've finished selecting all your items, proceed to your shopping cart and click Proceed to Checkout when you're ready to complete your purchase. At this point, you'll need to sign into your existing Amazon account, or continue as a guest if you prefer not to log in. An important step here is to fill in your shipping address completely first, as this will unlock all the available payment options in the next screen. In the Payment section, look for and select Add a Payment Method to include a new card. This is where you'll use the Afterpay virtual card that's provided within the Afterpay application. You'll need to carefully enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV security code from your Afterpay virtual card into Amazon's payment form. Once you've entered all the details correctly, confirm your payment method. Afterpay will then automatically split your total purchase amount into 4 equal, interest-free payments that are spread over 6 weeks. The first payment is typically due at the time of purchase, with the remaining 3 payments deducted automatically every 2 weeks from your linked payment method. Here's a unique tip that can save you time. Always check your cart total within the Afterpay app before proceeding to checkout to ensure the amount falls within your approved spending limit. This helps avoid potential declines during the payment process. If you don't see Afterpay as an available option, make sure you're in a supported region, like the United States or Australia, by checking afterpay.com for supported countries. If you encounter any issues during the process, you can contact Amazon support directly through amazon.com or reach out to Afterpay's customer service at helppay.com for assistance with payment-related questions. That's the complete process for using Afterpay with your Amazon purchases.